Hi everybody, Holly here from HolliDay, AnyDay. And we're gonna make kind of an interesting condiment, I guess you would call it today. It's called Peperonata. Now years ago I had it at a restaurant up in Santa Ana called Antonello's, and it was always so tasty and yummy, and it's got red peppers, it's got olives, it's got capers, and it's kind of savory, sweet, vinegary. And I haven't found a good recipe, but this one is pretty darn good. I just found it. So we're gonna make it, and then I'll show you how we're gonna use it in different ways. But first, let's start with our red onion. We're gonna shave it with a mandolin. I've got everything else done. Let's just do this and be super careful with our fingers, of course. I find this is the easiest way. And these little guys are so handy. Just Amazon, I'd say, probably could find these guys. Fingers. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take all this stuff over to the stove and cook it down. It's gonna be about 20 minutes. Let me show you. Okay, so now we're gonna get the peperonata started. So, EVOO, as Miss Rachel Ray would say. Coat the bottom of the pan. To that, we've got our trusty anchovy paste to give it a little bit of umami, as they say. A little salt. I'm going to throw in some slivered red onions, which are going to caramelize as we cook them a little bit longer. Give them a little stir around. Gonna go garlic, minced garlic. And we'll just get these mixed up a little bit, just a little bit. Okay. Let's get them going. Onions and garlic and olive oil. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Okay, to this, let's go ahead and add our red and yellow finely sliced bell peppers. I'm going to turn this down just a little bit. Then I'm going to add a little salt. And now we're just going to cook this down till it's nice and soft. It's going to be about 20 minutes. And then we're going to add our other little ingredients, you know, the capers and the vinegar and what have you. But we'll check back on this in a little bit and see how it's doing. But yeah, it'll be roughly 20 minutes or so. Okay, this peperonata has been, actually not peperonata yet, right? Basically it's just onions and peppers and garlic. This has been cooking for about 15-20 minutes. Check this out. Look at how much it's cooked way down. It's all gotten kind of syrupy and caramelized. And we're going to add some chopped olives. You can use any kind you want. These are just the ones I put in my martinis, actually. And some white balsamic. A little bit of fresh oregano from my garden, no less. And some capers, strained. And all we're gonna do is mix this around. And this could be used in a myriad of different ways. It's just yummy and tasty. I think we're just gonna soften up the olives, maybe another minute or two, max. And then I'll show you how we're gonna serve it. So the peperonata is cooled, and let me show you how we're gonna serve it. Now, with the peperonata, we can serve it all kinds of different ways. I'm gonna show it on a cute little cheese plate here, but would be wonderful, my goodness, over chicken with meat. A friend just mentioned would be fabulous over pasta or quinoa. Super yum. So, but we're gonna do it with I would go with a fairly mild cheese on this. So let's give it a go. Little slice of this. This is actually a toma from California. Okay. A little cracker. And see how good, oh, nice. Kind of caramelizing and soft. I mean, I can just eat it with a fork. I really don't need to eat it with anything else, but I'll show you this way. Let's give it a taste. That's so good. That's yummy. Try this next time you have a party. It's a really interesting condiment. Oopsie. Let's have some red wine. Yeah, that's fabulous. Give it a go. It's easy breezy.